How to add grid lines, columns and rows in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Canva application on a device. Make sure you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on a device. As you do that, make sure you also log into your Canva application and have the updated version of the Canva application. So here all you need to do is just tap on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and as you do that you can select any custom size or you can just select any size for your post over here or to add grid lines or columns and rows in Canva. Now when you want to add the grid lines, columns and rows in Canva, it's a very simple process. So what you simply need to do is just tap on the size over here or the portrait and then tap on the three dotted lines at the top of the screen. As you do that, you can see different options over here. So just tap on the settings icon. As you tap on settings icon, what you can see is tap on add guides option over here. So here you can see there are different options to add columns and a grid. You can just tap on 3x3 grid and you can also customize it if you tap on custom and select the number of columns that you would want to have. Same with the rows. So you can just tap on done. And there you go. You have added grid lines, columns and rows in Canva. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.